Hi everyone, my name is Chinelyn T. Ayala from BT Elite HA1A. Welcome back to my vlog. Today I will be summarizing what we've learned about ICT from week 1 to 7. So let's go! So in week 1, Introduction to ICT and its impact on society. Information and communication technology plays a huge role in our daily lives. It affects how we communicate, work, learn, and do business. From social media to online banking, ICT make things faster and more efficient. In week 2, we explore ICT hardware components. This includes physical parts of a computer like the CPU, monitor, keyboard, and storage devices. Understanding hardware helps us know how computers work and how to choose the right devices for our needs. The next is about ICT software types and applications. We learn about software, which is divided into system software and application software. System software includes operating system like Windows and MacOS, while application software includes programs like Microsoft Word and web browsers. In the week 4, we focus on Microsoft Word and Google Docs basics. This tool helps us create and edit documents easily. We learned about formatting text, adding images, and using templates to make professional-looking documents. Then we move on to the spreadsheet with Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. These applications are great for organizing data, using formulas, and creating charts. They help with budgeting, analyzing data, and tracking progress. In week 6, we explore presentation tools, the Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slide. We learn how to create engaging slides, add animation, and design visually appealing presentation for school or work. Finally, in week 7, we review and integrated all the tools we learned, combining Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Allow us to create complete projects from reports to presentations, making our work more effective and professional. And that's a quick recap of our ICT topic from week 1 to week 7. ICT is such a valuable skill in today's digital world, whether it's writing documents, organizing data, and etc. These tools help us in many ways. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye-bye.